Find the differential equation of the family of all straight lines passing through the origin. So how we are going to, in a smaller classes, we have studied about the what is the equation of the straight lines passing through the origin. So let the equation of straight line passing through the origin B, y is equal to mx. So this is the equation of the straight line. So next what we are going to do, where here m is the arbitrary constant. M is the arbitrary constant. So next we are, let this be 1. Next we are going to differentiate 1. So if you differentiate 1 means dy by dx equal to m into 1. So then dy by dx equal to m. So let this be 2. Now we have to substitute this one in 2. In 1, substituting 2 in 1. So y is equal to instead of this m, dy by dx into x. So therefore y equal to x into dy by dx. So next sum, fifth sum. Form the differential equation that represents all the parabolas, each of has a latus rectum 4a and whose are 2 parallel to the axis. So for this equation we know what is the latus rectum and the parabola. So we are going to find out using that equation. So solution. Equation of the family of parabolas with latus rectum 4a and whose axes are parallel to the x-axis, y minus k the whole square equal to 4a x minus h. Okay, so already we know y square equal to 4ax, but in this equation they have given that one equation of the parabolas. So we are just considering as y minus k the whole square equal to 4a into x minus h, because h and k is the center of the parabola, where h comma k is the center of the parabola. So now we are going to differentiate the equation 1. So if you differentiate equation 1. So if you differentiate means 2 into y minus k into y. This if you differentiate means 1 minus 0. So dy by dx equal to 4a into, if you differentiate means 1 minus 0, then you are differentiating x only, so no need to put the dx by dx. So 4a into 1. Then what you have to do, we have to find out the y minus k the value only. So again what we are going to do, so let this be 2 into y minus k into dy by dx equal to 4a. So let this be 2. So differentiate 2 with respect to x. Okay, again if you differentiate means 2 into y minus k Okay, so just I am keeping this as the constant and again I am just differentiating. So d square y by dx square plus then dy by dx I am keeping the constant, then 2 into 1 minus 0 into dy by dx equal to 0. So here we are using the product rule. So 2 into y minus k d square y by dx square plus then 2 into dy by dx the whole square equal to 0. Next you take the 2 outside. So y minus k d square y by dx square plus dy by dx the whole square equal to 0. Next this 2 will go to that side. So y minus k then d square y by dx square plus dy by dx the whole square equal to 0 by 2. Then what we have to do? We have to take these terms, all the terms that side. So y minus k d square y by dx square equal to, you just take this term that side means minus dy by dx the whole square. Then what we have to do? Next this y minus k, then y minus k is equal to y minus k equal to minus dy by dx the whole square by d square y by dx square. So let this be equation 3. Okay. So next what we are going to do? We are just going to substitute in the equation what we have found it here in the equation 2 we are going to substitute it. So substituting, so substitute 3 in 2. So in the 2 we are going to substitute means 2 into y minus k into dy by dx equal to 4a. So here we are going to substitute it. So 2 into minus of dy by dx the whole square by d square y by dx square equal to 4a. So you just cross multiply it. So minus, that is minus 2 into dy by dx the whole square equal to 4a, then d square y by dx square. Then what we have to do? We have to just take the commonly cancel the term. So this is 1 times and this is 2 times. So minus dy by dx the whole square equal to 2a d square y by dx x square. Then what we have to do? We have to take these terms and all that side. So 0 equal to 2a d square y by dx square plus dy by dx the whole square. So that implies 2a d square y by dx square plus dy by dx square equal to 0. So therefore it is a required differential equation.